Hey, watch enthusiasts! Welcome back. Today we're stepping into the world of Swiss sophistication with the top Mido watches you've got to check out. I'll walk you through each model's standout features and help you find your next perfect wrist companion. Make sure to like, drop a comment, subscribe, and ring that bell so you're always in the loop. Number 10. Mido Multifort M Chronometer 038-431.11-097 is a refined Swiss timepiece that blends rugged engineering with elegant design. Housed in a 42mm stainless steel case, it features a striking green textured dial with vertical Geneva stripes, adding depth and sophistication. The applied indices and hands are coated with superluminova for visibility in any light, while the day-date display at 3 o'clock keeps things practical. At its heart is the COSC-certified Caliber 80 automatic movement, offering an impressive 80-hour power reserve and exceptional chronometric precision. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective treatment ensures clarity and scratch resistance, and the stainless steel bracelet provides a solid, stylish fit for daily wear or more formal occasions. Water-resistant to 100 meters, the Multifort M Chronometer delivers both performance and polish. Available now for $1,090, this Mido is a standout choice for watch lovers seeking Swiss quality and standout style. Number 9, the Mido Ocean Star 200C Green Mebra 42.430.010 is a bold, high-performance dive watch that pairs Swiss precision with striking style. Featuring a 42.5-meter stainless steel case and a vibrant green ceramic bezel, this watch commands attention both underwater and on land. The textured green dial offers excellent legibility, with superluminova hands and markers that glow brilliantly in low light. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, it delivers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. With 200 meters of water resistance, a screw-down crown, and a unidirectional rotating bezel, it meets all the expectations of a serious diver's watch. The stainless steel bracelet completes the robust yet refined look, perfect for daily wear or weekend exploration. Available now for $100, the Ocean Star 200C is a stunning mix of sporty functionality and timeless Swiss craftsmanship. Number 8. The Mido Multifort Power Reserve Anthracite M038 424.33.061 and OC is a striking blend of industrial design and mechanical sophistication. Housed in a 42mm black PVD-coated stainless steel case, this timepiece features a vertically brushed anthracite dial with vivid red accents that highlight its sporty, modern character. The standout feature is its power reserve indicator at 9 o'clock, showing off the robust Caliber 80 automatic movement, which delivers an impressive 80-hour power reserve. The open caseback gives a glimpse of the Swiss-engineered mechanics inside, while the sapphire crystal offers durability and scratch resistance. Finished with a sleek black PVD bracelet, it's designed for style and comfort on the wrist. Water-resistant to 100 meters and loaded with function and flair, the Multifort Power Reserve Anthracite is perfect for the modern watch enthusiast. Available now for $1,150, it's a statement of precision, performance, and standout design. Number 7. Mido Watchman Black Ocean Star 200 Automatic. Mido Caliber 80 is a sleek, purpose-built dive watch that combines Swiss engineering with modern minimalist style. Featuring a 42.5mm stainless steel case with a stealthy black PVD coating, this timepiece is built to perform under pressure. Its matte black dial is accented with bold, luminous hands and markers for high visibility, while the unidirectional rotating bezel ensures precise dive timing. Powered by the reliable Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, it boasts an impressive 80-hour power reserve ideal for those who don't wear the same watch every day. A screw-down crown, 200-meter water resistance, and sapphire crystal make it both tough and refined. The matching black rubber strap adds comfort and a sporty edge. Whether you're diving deep or dressing sharp, the Ocean Star 200 Black is a versatile companion. Available now for $1,000, it delivers Swiss quality and rugged elegance in one bold package. Number 6. The Mido Commander Big Date M021.261161.0 is a sophisticated timepiece that combines timeless design with modern Swiss craftsmanship. Featuring a 42mm stainless steel case and bracelet, it's anchored by a clean anthracite sunray dial that exudes understated elegance. The standout feature is the oversized date display at 6 o'clock, bold, practical, and beautifully integrated. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, this watch delivers an exceptional 80-hour power reserve, making it a dependable choice for everyday wear or special occasions. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating ensures clarity and durability, while the transparent caseback offers a glimpse into its Swiss-made mechanical heart. With 50 meters of water resistance, it's more about refined style than rugged action, but it still holds up to daily life. Available now for $970, the Commander Big Date is perfect for anyone seeking sleek looks and mechanical precision in one stylish package. Number 5. Mido Commander Blue Shade M842932511 is a vintage-inspired timepiece that captures the spirit of classic 1970s design with a modern Swiss twist. Featuring a striking 37mm stainless steel case with a stunning blue gradient dial that fades from deep navy to black, it delivers retro charm in a sleek contemporary form. The gold-tone hands and indices add a touch of elegance, while the integrated gold-tone stainless steel mesh bracelet enhances its throwback aesthetic. Powered by a reliable automatic movement with up to 80 hours of power reserve, it offers both style and performance in a compact, refined package. The domed acrylic crystal adds to the vintage look, while the minimalist dial layout keeps it clean and timeless. Perfect for those who appreciate heritage design with Swiss reliability, the Commander Blue Shade is available now for $1,000. Number 4. The Mido Commander Gradient Automatic is a bold and modern interpretation of a classic, featuring a unique transparent gradient dial that fades from smoky black at the edges to clear at the center, revealing the mechanical beauty beneath. Housed in a 40mm stainless steel case, this watch is powered by the Mido Caliber 80, based on the ETA C07611, offering an impressive 80-hour power reserve and smooth automatic performance. The minimalist design is accented with polished indices and hands coated in Superlumi Nova, ensuring legibility in all lighting conditions. A sapphire crystal adds scratch resistance, while the see-through caseback provides a full view of the movement in action. Paired with a matching stainless steel bracelet, the Commander Gradient is both a conversation piece and a dependable everyday companion. Available now for $1,000, it's a stunning fusion of modern design, Swiss engineering, and mechanical transparency. Number 3. Mido Ocean Star Decompression Worldtimer is a vibrant, vintage-inspired dive watch that merges iconic design with modern global functionality. Housed in a 40.5mm stainless steel case, it features a stunning multicolored decompression scale dial in homage to Mido's legendary 1960s divers. But beyond its retro charm, this watch packs serious performance with a Worldtimer function, allowing you to track time in multiple cities with a simple turn of the bezel. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, it offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, perfect for travelers and adventurers alike. The sapphire crystal, screw-down crown, and 200-meter water resistance ensure it's ready for both deep dives and daily wear. Finished with a sporty rubber strap and backed by Swiss precision, the Ocean Star Decompression Worldtimer is a collector-worthy piece with real-world practicality. Available now for $1,310, it's vintage-style reimagined for the modern explorer. Number 2. Mido Rainflower M04-3x207 and 16.131 OCOI is a beautifully elegant timepiece designed with refined femininity and Swiss precision in mind. Inspired by the Art Science Museum in Singapore, its 34mm polished stainless steel case houses a delicate mother-of-pearl dial adorned with floral pattern detailing and 8 sparkling diamond hour markers. The rose gold tone hands and subtle date window at 6 o'clock add functional grace, while a sapphire crystal ensures lasting clarity and scratch resistance. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, it delivers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, offering both beauty and performance in one. The soft pink leather strap completes the sophisticated look, making it perfect for both everyday elegance and special occasions. With water resistance up to 30 meters, the Rainflower M043.27 16.20 31.0 is a gentle yet powerful statement of style. Available now for $1,120, it's a graceful blend of modern luxury and timeless charm. Number 1, Mido Commander Big Date, M021-626-22-Bo31-Zu, is a refined Swiss timepiece that exudes sophistication and modern elegance. Housed in a 42mm stainless steel case with a stunning rose gold PVD bezel and matching accents on the bracelet, this watch combines timeless design with contemporary flair. The silver sunray dial is clean and elegant, highlighted by the bold big date display at 6 o'clock, practical and visually striking. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, it boasts an impressive 80-hour power reserve, ensuring precision and convenience for daily wear. Sapphire crystal protects the dial, while the transparent caseback reveals the Swiss-made mechanics at work. With 50 meters of water resistance and a polished two-tone bracelet, the Commander Big Date M021-626 2.031-0 is ideal for professionals who appreciate subtle luxury. Available now for $100, it's the perfect fusion of form, function, and fine watchmaking.